Hey guys, so it's been a hot minute since I uploaded any vlog here on my channel. I've been quite busy. As you may know, I've launched my podcast called Live Well with Jirbie Go, and it's currently streaming on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, so please do check that out. For today, I'll be taking you with me as I share with you how I've discovered Eco Grow PH, and let me just show you how easy it is to set up your own indoor planting or hydroponics area. So this is a kit that I got from Eco Grow PH. I will take you with me since day 1. I'm on day 18, and you will see how fast my plants have grown indoors. So this is perfect for those who are living in condos, living in small spaces. This kit is very convenient and very easy to maintain. So it's day 1 of our hydroponics, and nag-shower lang ako. Kinain na nila yung big leaves. Okay, so it's day 3, and I think it's growing. This is like a new leaf, and then ito bago yan. Also that one. So I'm really happy, at least it's growing. Despite my cats nibbling on the biggest leaves when it first got here. So this one got a little smaller kasi tinanggal naman yung mga leaves na kinagat na ng cats. Hey guys, so here's an early morning update of my plants. Today's day 10, and look at my basil. They're really growing. My PIXIE leaves are getting taller. Malapit na nilang ma-reach yung LED light. This one, I think I can just repot this and it will grow. This one, wala nang pag-asa yan. Alright, so here's my day 12 update. It's been close to 2 weeks. You may notice I've already replaced the light bracket to the taller one. The kit actually comes with 2 light brackets. A smaller one, yung una kong ginamit, which is clear. And this one is the taller one. Kasi I have 2 plants who are growing really fast, so I need to replace it. And look at my basil. My basil has grown really big. Yung dalawang basil ko. And then my PIXIE, one is like really hopeless. I need to replace that. This one is struggling, but it has to be potted in soil. The rest are fine. This is growing a little slow. There's something wrong with the rooting. So this one is really good. That one is really good. This one is going slow as well. So as soon as my supplies arrive, I'm going to be replacing these small ones, and I'll try to fix this. And I'll show you how to germinate seeds, and yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so just an update. Here's my day 17, close to 3 weeks. And you can see naman my basil actually has reached na the level 2 light bracket. So I'm asking EcoGrow if we can have like a higher light bracket for this. Kasi ang taas na niya talaga. And then this one got a little dried up. I think it's a little heat sensitive. So medyo nag-dry up siya. I just have to remove it and then let it grow. This is the tallest among all the PIXIE, kahit na ito yung parang nakagat ng cat. And my cat bit this early on in its life. And then my PIXIE are all growing mediocrely, but the basil is very, very outstanding. So I plan to remove this, the small ones and the dried ones, and then replace it with some other herbs. I have a couple of seeds now. I have arugula and I guess lettuce and Chinese kale. So I plan to replace that soon. As soon as my hydroponic supplies arrive, I've ordered some. So I'm very excited to share with you how to replace this and germinate seeds. And then probably I'll try to move these, the smaller ones, to another container and try to grow a new batch here. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my podcast. Don't forget to follow me on Spotify and Apple Podcast, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!